Welcome to this Bruker support tutorial video for Bruker handheld products. In this video, I will show you how to properly install our third-party software S1Datatool. Hold Shift and right-click on the setup.exe file. Select Run as Administrator. Select your language and click OK. Follow the steps through the installation. Once the installation is done, select Finish and right-click on the symbol of S1Datatool. Select Properties and change the tab to Compatibility. Check the box Run as Administrator and click OK. We've come to the end of this video. Thanks for your attention and have a great day.